The way we view relationships has evolved over time. Friends play a significant role in our lives, and it is only natural to wonder if it is better to have many or fewer friends. It has been said that having more friends equal more love and support, but is that true? Or is having a few close friends who genuinely care about you the better option? In this video, we will delve into the topic of whether it is better to have many or fewer friends. We all have different social needs, which influence our approach to friendship. Some people feel fulfilled by having an extensive network of acquaintances, while others prefer to invest in a tight-knit group of friends. Our friendships reflect our personalities and lifestyles, and there's no right or wrong answer as to how many friends you should have. It ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. Throughout this video, we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of having many or fewer friends. We will also discuss the factors that determine the number of friends one should have, the types of friends you should aim to have, and how to nurture your existing friendships. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the advantages of having many or fewer friends and how to build healthy relationships that support your well-being. 1. Analyzing the importance of quality of friends over quantity. In today's social media-driven world, the number of friends and followers an individual has can be seen as a status symbol. However, recent studies have shown that the quality of friendships rather than the quantity is more important for our mental and emotional well-being. Research has found that individuals who prioritize quality over quantity when it comes to their friendships tend to have better self-esteem, fewer instances of depression, and higher levels of life satisfaction. It is important to note that maintaining a large group of friends can be exhausting and time-consuming, leading to potential social overload and feelings of neglect from close relationships. Consequently, it is advisable to invest time and energy in cultivating deep and meaningful relationships with a select few rather than trying to manage a vast network of superficial connections. Ultimately, having a few close friends with whom you can share your thoughts, joys, and concerns can provide a sense of belonging, safety, and comfort, thereby promoting overall well-being. 2. Recognizing the benefits of having a large friend group. When considering the question of whether it is better to have many or fewer friends, it is important to recognize the benefits of having a large friend group. Studies have shown that individuals who have a larger number of friends tend to have greater social support and more active social life, and can experience less loneliness and depression than those with fewer friends. A large friend group can also provide a diverse range of perspectives, experiences, and opportunities that can enrich one's personal and professional life. Additionally, having more friends can lead to increased networking opportunities and a wider range of potential career connections. It is important to note, however, that the quality of friendships is also important, and having few but close and supportive friends can be just as valuable as having many acquaintances. Ultimately, the decision to prioritize the quantity or quality of friendships is a personal one and may change over time based on individual needs and circumstances. 3. Examining the importance of having close relationships with a few friends. The question of, is it better to have many or fewer friends, is a complex one, with numerous factors influencing the answer. One key consideration is the value of having close relationships with a few friends. While it can be tempting to prioritize quantity over quality, research shows that strong, supportive friendships offer a range of benefits for your health and well-being. Close friends provide emotional support, offer validation and reassurance, and can even help to reduce stress and anxiety. Additionally, having a few close friends allows you to build deeper connections and share experiences in a more meaningful way than may be possible with a larger group. Ultimately, while having many acquaintances can be enjoyable, it is the close, intimate relationships with a select few that have the greatest impact on our lives. 4. Exploring whether having many or fewer friends can affect one's mental health. The question of whether it is better to have many or few friends is a complex and subjective one that has been debated by researchers for years. Studies have shown that a person's social network can have a significant impact on their mental health and well-being. One study, published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, found that having close relationships with a few individuals was associated with greater happiness and well-being, while having a large network of friends was associated with greater stress and social anxiety. However, other research has suggested the opposite, indicating that people with large friend groups experience greater feelings of belonging and social connectedness. Ultimately, it is important to remember that the quality of one's friendships is more important than the quantity, and what works for one person may not work for another. 5. Distinguishing between acquaintances and genuine relationships. When deciding whether it's better to have many or fewer friends, one important factor to consider is the distinction between acquaintances and genuine relationships. Acquaintances are individuals with whom you have a minimal level of interaction, and their impact on your life is typically limited. Genuine relationships, on the other hand, are built on mutual trust, support, and shared experiences, and they play a critical role in maintaining your physical and emotional well-being. While having a broad network of acquaintances can provide you with social opportunities and expand your social circles, it is important to recognize that quality always trumps quantity. Investing in a few meaningful and satisfying relationships that provide mutual benefits and support can bring more joy and fulfillment to your life than a large number of superficial connections. Therefore, it is essential to distinguish between acquaintances and genuine connections when considering the quantity of friends you have. 6. Identifying the importance of balance between having many or fewer friends. In today's world, social relationships play a significant role in shaping a person's overall well-being. Therefore, it is no surprise that many individuals contemplate whether it is better to have many or fewer friends. While having more friends may seem like a straightforward path to happiness and well-being, research suggests that there may be more to the story. It is crucial to find a balance between having many or fewer friends that aligns with individual needs and personality traits. Studies have shown that individuals with a tight-knit group of friends report higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. On the other hand, those who value having a large social network might benefit from socializing with various groups of people. It is important to note that both having many or fewer friends may have unique benefits and drawbacks, making it critical to assess personal preferences and goals when choosing to maintain or grow one's social circle. 7. Understanding the need for meaningful connections. When considering whether it is better to have many or fewer friends, it is important to understand the need for meaningful connections. While having a large social circle may seem desirable, it is the quality of our connections, not the quantity, that ultimately determines our level of satisfaction and fulfillment in life. Meaningful connections are characterized by a deep sense of trust, mutual understanding, and support. Studies have shown that individuals who have close, supportive relationships experience higher levels of well-being, life satisfaction, and even physical health. Therefore, it may be more beneficial to focus on cultivating a few deep connections rather than trying to maintain countless surface-level relationships. By investing in meaningful connections, we can create a network of support that can enhance our overall sense of happiness and well-being. 8. Assessing the effects of having too many or too few friends. Is it better to have many or fewer friends? The answer to this question is not straightforward, as the effects of having too many or too few friends vary from person to person. Research suggests that both social isolation and social overload can harm an individual's well-being. On one hand, those who have very few friends are more likely to feel lonely, depressed, and stressed. They may lack emotional support and miss out on social opportunities that can enhance their lives. On the other hand, having too many friends can cause social overload, which can lead to burnout, anxiety, and decreased well-being. It can also make it difficult for individuals to manage their relationships and prioritize their time effectively. Therefore, it is crucial to assess the effects of having too few or too many friends and find the optimal balance that works best for each individual. 9. The advantages and disadvantages of having many or fewer friends. The number of friends one has is a personal choice, and there are advantages and disadvantages to both having many friends and having fewer friends. Having many friends can be fulfilling as individuals can socialize and engage with more people, which in turn can lead to a diverse range of experiences and perspectives. With many friends, individuals can rely on a larger support network in times of need, have an increased chance of meeting romantic partners or networking opportunities, and have more individuals to share hobbies and interests with. On the other hand, having many friends can also be stressful and time-consuming, leading to a difficulty in deepening connections and maintaining fulfilling relationships. It can also be challenging to balance commitments and time spent with each friend. Conversely, having few friends can be beneficial in that individuals can focus on maintaining more intimate connections with closer friends, leading to a sense of deeper connection and loyalty. However, having few friends can also lead to isolation and a lack of diverse perspectives and experiences. Ultimately, the number of friends one has is a personal choice that should be based on individual needs and preferences. It's important to examine the advantages and disadvantages of having many or fewer friends to make an informed decision that enhances personal well-being and happiness. 10. Learning how to build genuine relationships without feeling overwhelmed. In a world where social media has made having lots of friends synonymous with popularity and success, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and inadequate when trying to build genuine relationships. However, research has shown that the quality of your relationships is more important than the quantity. It's essential to surround yourself with individuals who provide emotional support, encourage you to grow, and share similar values. Learning how to build these relationships without feeling overwhelmed requires effort and intentionality. It involves being vulnerable, actively listening, creating shared experiences, and being present. Building these types of relationships can have a significant impact on your professional and personal success, leading to increased happiness, reduced stress, and better mental health. To sum up, the number of friends you have is not as important as the quality of the friendships you maintain. It's better to have a few close friends who you can count on and trust than a large circle of acquaintances you don't really know. It is also important to remember that it is never too late to make new friends and that you should never be afraid to reach out and get to know someone. In the end, it's all about you having meaningful connections that enrich your life. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.